Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert chips. Chips are nothing but you can actually do a couple of changes when you're adding something into your sheet. So it's a unique way of adding links or the documents in your Google Sheet. Let's say if you're adding any file, any calendar event, it will not show you the entire link. It will just give you the name of that particular link so that it will look beautiful. So let's say if I want to add a file, then let's say if I want to add this one, you see now there is a link, but I will not see the link, but it will be converted as a smart chip. So you can play around with this option. So let's say if you want to add a rating, so you can do is drag, like if there are people over here, let's say A and B, okay. So now let's say these are the students and you want to give the rating. You can give the rating 1, 5. So you can do this with this option. It's easier. Also you can add finance, places, calendar events. You just paste the link over here. It will be automatically converted as a name which includes with the link. So this is how the smart chips works. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.